Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling the two systems that make hands-free unlocking reliable. First, turn on voice control in accessibility. This lets you issue gesture and navigation commands. Once done, confirm Face ID is set up and a secure passcode is active, because Face ID provides the actual biometric unlock. Make sure raise to wake and attention detection are enabled so your face registers quickly. This reduces false failures when you speak commands and try to unlock. Now configure voice control to perform the gestures you'll need. Create a new command labeled something intuitive, then assign the action. Choose a gesture such as swipe up or the system action open home. This lets you tell the phone to perform the swipe or tap after Face ID authenticates. Practice those commands while the phone is awake so you learn the exact phrasing, and try them at close and medium distances to see how lighting and angle affect recognition. To unlock, say wake screen to bring the lock screen up, then position your face so Face ID scans. Once the green check appears, issue your configured command like swipe up or open home to reveal the home screen. Voice control executes the gesture for you. If unlocking fails, re-enroll your face, clean the true depth camera, and ensure good lighting. Finally, restart the iPhone and update iOS if problems persist. Test voice control separately to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.